Welcome to the in front of me HONOR Magic4 Lite, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel here, and if you want to add here some icons or options, or just to remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here on this edit icon, and after that we can see here there's down sections with the invisible icons. Just to add them, for example the calculator, we should hold it and after that drag it to this up section. By the same way, if you want, you can add here there's another icons, but first you should just remove some of these icons here, for example these two, and now we can add here two more icons. For example, let's use the timer and the power saving. Just to remove the icons, you just see this before, you should just hold and drag it to the down section, and just to change the position of the icons you should hold and drag it by this way. As you can see, that's so simple. And just to change this, to save the changes, you should click to go to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.